Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? This is Kurt's Culinary, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make grilled ham and cheese. Okay, this is a pretty basic and simple sandwich, but it's absolutely delicious and it's very quick. You're going to take, I have some sourdough bread, so you're going to take your sourdough and you're going to spread some margarine on it, or butter. If you have butter, you can also use butter. So, alright, you put some margarine down, put that down. Your skillet, you want to keep this on a medium-high heat. My heat is at 7. 6 or 7 should be fine. You don't want it like extremely hot because it'll just burn everything. So you want it to gradually, kind of slowly cook. And you're gonna put these in the middle, and you're gonna get your cheese. I have Swiss, so that's what I'm gonna use for today. All right, I'm gonna put my Swiss on here. Yeah, whoop. One piece here, one piece there. The third piece, you're gonna just tear that in half, and you're gonna put it there and there. Okay, all right, and that's good to go. Okay, now your ham. Now you don't want to put the ham directly in there. You only want to get about 5 or 6 pieces. Okay, what you're gonna do is you're going to put this ham off to the side, and you're going to cook it. Is what you're going to do. But it's going to give it a really delicious grilled or flavor. This doesn't take real long. And I know this is pretty basic and simple, but there's a lot of people that don't know how to make a proper grilled ham and cheese sandwich. So you got your spatula and set of tongs. As the cheese is melting here and the butter's cooking and everything on the bread, you're gonna take your ham and you're gonna cook it on one side and then flip it, get it all nice and cooked up pretty well. These are really quick, really easy to make, and very simple. They're you need a quick fix for lunch, and you don't want just a plain old I don't want just a lunch meat sandwich. I would like something a little hot or whatever. So it's just very quick, very simple, easy cooking. So alrighty, all right. So okay, now your ham, you just kind of cook it on one side for a little bit, cook it on the other side for a little bit. That's all. Just enough to get it hot and just, cook it a little bit. If you were to put it right in the middle, it's not going to get hot. It's going to, it'll just stay cold in the middle pretty much. So, there. Now, you're going to take your spatula, you're going to take this bottom one, flip it. Okay, that one's not quite there, so we're going to take this, flip it over. All right, okay, so we are going to get these nice and golden brown on both sides. I need a knife. All right. When you're cooking this, the bread, you want to get it nice and golden brown on both sides. Okay, and I will show you once we get there. These are very basic and simple sandwiches. You know, not everybody knows how to make them, but they're delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a flip. And all right, we're not quite there yet, but we're almost there. Okay. And then I turned my heat up a little bit just to finish off the sandwich. Yeah, that's what, you know, you can always, you know, you can always add heat. You can always take away heat. So just remember that, so that you don't burn it. If you was to start this off in an extremely hot skillet, everything's just gonna cook and burn so fast. It's not gonna give you what you want. So go ahead and flip this side. Yeah, this right here is what you want. Your bread is nice and golden brown and toasted, and it's just absolutely delicious when you toast your bread with just a little bit of butter like this, or margarine, I'm sorry. So all right, we'll give it another minute. Looking pretty good. Shh. So we're gonna give this a flip. Yeah, see, that's what we're talking about there. Nice and golden brown. Okay, now this is done. Go ahead and turn it off. Slide it over. Okay, and set your stuff down. And we got this a nice plate here. You take your sandwich, you cut it on a bias, just like that. And then you're going to set this here and set that there. All right, and there you go, guys. Quick, easy, grilled ham and cheese. So this is Kurt's Culinary. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.